So let's talk medical home health agencies. These are the agencies that are providing skilled nursing, therapy services, and so forth. Okay, so let's talk about that. So in home health, the average revenue per patient, according to CMS, which is Medicare, is $3,037 per referral. So that is in regards of you taking care of a patient for 60 days, right? So that is one unit right there, okay? So let's say, for example, that you're able to bring in 28 patients every month, brand new patients every month. So let's say, for example, every month you bring in 28 new referrals each month. If you multiply that by 3,000, I'm not even going to say 3,037, let's just say 3,000, and multiply that by 12 months, the income is $1 million and $1,008,000. 28 patients. Right there alone, that's $1 million. Okay, so that's $1 million home health business. My job here is to be able to show you guys how to create a multi-million-dollar home health business.